Next is the Y-axis belt. When replacing the Y-axis belt, we first need to remove the glass tube, pressing this spring clip to disconnect the blue water hose. Then disconnect the red high voltage wire. Next, disconnect this white water hose in the same way. Press the spring clip and the white hose will come loose. After that, disconnect the low voltage wire, as well as the ID information collection board on the top. Cut this zip tie. Then unplug this connector. Cutting the zip ties here. Unlock the constant optical path locking clips one by one. And then remove the glass tube. Now you can see the Y-axis belt. First, loosen the upper screw. Then loosen these 4 screws one by one. The belt will be removed. At this point, you also need to disconnect the coupling in order to take the belt out. So first loosen these 2 screws here. Then disconnect the coupling, and the belt can be removed. Installing the new belt. First loop the belt around the larger gear, then around the upper small gear. Before reinstalling the coupling, it is very important to first use the alignment pins to lock the X-axis guide rails in place. This ensures that the diagonal alignment between the X and the Y-axis remains correct. Align the hose here and insert the alignment pin to secure it. Likewise, the opposite side also needs to be secured with an alignment pin. Align the hose properly and insert the alignment pin. After that, reinstall the coupling and tighten the screws. Again, you should pinch the belt to check the tension. Tighten the screws here first, then check the belt tension again. After that, tighten the remaining screws one by one while continuing to check the belt tension. Finally, fully tighten all the screws. This process requires patience. You need to continuously feel and adjust the belt tension until it reaches the proper condition. Then remove the alignment pins. Next, reinstall the glass tube. Align it properly with the positioning slots of the constant optical path holders. Then lock the holders in place. Reconnect the white water hose. Reconnect the low voltage wire. And the ID information collection board. And secure it with zip tie. Reconnect the red high voltage wire. And secure it with zip tie. Then reconnect the blue water hose and place it at the bottom. Finally, cover the cover. Now reinstall the control panel. Use this screw to secure the control panel. Put the motor backward slightly to create installation space. Adjust the screw position. Then hook the side with the bracket into the slot on the control panel. The slot is located here. Filling the correct position carefully, then tightening the screws. Okay, the second one. And finally, tighten both screws with the screwdriver. Then plug the white connector back into the control panel. Alright, these are all the steps for replacing the Y-axis belt. Did you get it? Alright, that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Ram from Aeon Laser. See you then. Bye bye.